Preparations are underway for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's possible visit to China for the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit in Tianjin, scheduled from 31st August to September 1st. If the visit happens, Modi is expected to hold bilateral talks with Chinese President Xi Jinping. The meetings could carry significance amid rising US-China tensions over trade and Russian oil. Their last interaction was during the BRICS summit in Kazan, where troop disengagement in western Ladakh was discussed. Shashi Tharoor has strongly reacted to the US tariff hike, suggesting that India should also impose 50% tariff on American imports. He warned that with $90 billion in trade between the two nations, a sharp rise in prices could discourage global buyers from choosing Indian products. Tharoor stressed that a strong and equal response are necessary to safeguard India's export economy. Rahul Gandhi has alleged a major election fraud in Karnataka's Mahadevapura constituency, claiming over 1 lakh fake and duplicate votes. He accused the Election Commission of working with the BJP to allow such irregularities. Following his statement, Karnataka's chief electoral officer asked him to submit full details of the alleged fake votes, so that proper investigation and action can be taken. Rahul Gandhi made these claims during a press conference in Delhi. calling it a clear case of vote theft. Russian President Vladimir Putin is expected to visit India soon, according to National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, who is currently in Mexico. While dates are yet to be officially confirmed, reports suggest the visit could happen later this year. Ajit Doval said India values long-standing ties with Russia and is looking forward to the visit. This comes amid growing tensions between India and the US, with President Donald Trump accusing India of supporting Russia's war in Ukraine by continuing energy imports, affecting trade talks in Washington. One of the world's most popular show, Wednesday, returns with much-awaited second season on August 6th. Fans are excited to see Jenna back as Wednesday Addams in the Tim Burton hit. The new season promises more mystery and drama as Wednesday returns to Navimore Academy, navigating complex relationships with family, friends, and old enemies. With high expectations and deeper storyline, Season 2 is all set to thrill audience once again.